Today was really a strange day for me because I was driving the car and I saw a long line of humans and I had become very curious about what it is that they were waiting, and there was no way to see what it was. So I entered on the line because I saw so many people happy there, and they were sharing that they were excited to have for free. And I was there in the line, and two, three, more than two or three, to be sincere and honest here, was more than two or three, was after myself. So it was a long line in front of me, and a long line was starting after myself. And then I thought, what it is that these people is getting?